Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you should do every single week on Dress to Impress. Is you should collect pink currencies. I know you probably do this already, but there will be a weekly update on the weekly boutique. So currently it is this one here. So it's going to refresh in like 5 days. So you will need about 10,000 pink currencies per week. I don't know why I spent it so much on like custom hair, and I definitely regret doing that because I don't need that much like space for it. But now I need to collect money again to purchase those currency items every single week. This is what it looks like. Some people got it already because there was a glitch in the system, but only like for a few minutes or seconds, I suppose. But I didn't get it, unfortunately. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!